Hello everyone, this is Kaustubh Naik and today is 11th of December 2022. Here we are again to discuss on the post-market reports on the currency markets which is USD INR and Euro INR. We will be covering a weekly report starting from 5th of December till 9th of December. So whatever has happened today and then the previous week in the currency market, this video commentary is purely based on my point of view and all the content is only for the educational purpose. Alright, now let's get started with this video. So starting first with the USDINR, let us start with the USDINR. Okay, so on the Friday night, Friday's night or the day you can say, the opening was at approximately, we can see over here, the opening was at 82.4025, while the high was at 82.4275 and the low was at 82.155 and then the previous closing which happens to be on the Friday which is at 82.4950. Okay, now we are going to move on a 3 minutes time frame and let's move to the chart of the Euro USDINR first. Okay, cool. So let us see how the market has performed. Okay, so this line which I have driven here, it ends on 2nd of December 2022, and from here this candle which we see around here, okay, is the starting of the USDINR. Okay, so I'm just gonna take a quick brief and then let us start. Okay, so the candle opens at 82.3565 on the Monday, which is 5th of December 2022. Slightly drops back on a 3 minutes time frame to touch the weekly the 200-day moving average. Okay, from over here, and then it starts to take a higher because the market starts to fall on that same day, and it went approximately 81.4750, and from over here the market started to reconsolidate a little bit and then went on a little the 3 minutes candle which we see over here, which is in the count of 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15 16 17 18 candles are formed in a very small size. Okay, after that, approximately at 5th of December at 10 a.m. we can see approximately a bigger candle to be happening around, which is at 81.46 to the next resistance level, which is at 81.4315. Okay, it happens approximately at that point, and we can see how the point has been moving. Once the USDINR has crossed the once the USDINR has crossed the point, at this point it starts to go up and it shoots up and closes about the next pivot level, and we can see how the market has been performing from that day. Once the candle closes above the pivot level, we are supposed to be buying over here, and we did even buy approximately at 81.6400, and then our target would be at the next resistance, and which was also hit on the same day as well, which is 81.91, and it did little drama to go till over there, but it did and went up till here. Okay, we can see over from here and the market how it has been moving. The USDINR December future is kind of been volatile, but it did patiently go. The trend started approximately on 5th of December at approximately 11 o'clock and went and finished the target at approximately 2:35 p.m. Okay, so now let us move slightly on a higher time frame and then see how it has been. And we are on a 15 minutes time frame to cover the weekly analysis. If not, the video is gonna go very long, so I just want to quickly finish it. Okay, so the market on the 15-minute time frame of the USD December future, we can clearly see it how it has been moving, and once it started to move approximately at 81.93, and then it goes up, makes a huge candle on the next day, the morning. So the morning we can see it over here at approximately 81.9691, and the market 90, the market opens, and then the first candle itself we have enough capture of approximately 50 points, 40 points, even if we calculate the point of 400 into even basically 10 lots, sorry, which adds up to 4,000 profit, and it's not at all a bad point, okay, bad deal. And then the market starts to hover till the mid noon, and after approximately 2 p.m, where the European market also opens, and seeing slightly there, even the European market on the 6th of December had a little downfall, and that's how the market has been performing. And then you can see the euro INR, the USD INR went up till 82.71. On the 5th of December, the USD INR was trading at 81.44, and on the 7th of morning, it is trading at 82.81. And in just 2 days, easily, it's an easy move to be captured of approximately 2 rupees, and which is hell lot of money. On an average, to be honest, I do not disclose this, but we do trade in approximately 100 accounts on the primary one, okay. It's a lot, okay. So you do the math for me, okay. One lot has approximately 1,000 quantities over here, and we can see how it has moved. Hypothetically, hypothetically the market has went up till 2 rupees, okay. So 2 rupees, even if you take in one lot, we have captured approximately 2,000 for each lot, and that is an amazing number in 2 days. Definitely, it adds up to 100% returns, and which is a lot, definitely a lot, okay. So the market, once it touches the high, the market starts to reconsolidate. And it starts to move from over here down, and it goes still down, okay. Also, by the way, if you would like to see the trades shots or the videos, you can go to my channel, check out the shots from 5th of December, how I have posted, and you can definitely find out over there, and how we have captured the movement of this 2 rupees, okay. Anyways, now let's get back and then see. Then the market starts to slightly consolidate and then go down, and we, after 7th of December, we see a slightly gap down at approximately this point, which is 82.52 was the closing. And then the closing was on 6th, 82.55, and the next day it opens at approximately this point, which is 82.4700, and then the market starts to consolidate in a very small candles. If you see in the 15 minutes candle, they're not too big over here, they're very small, they were very small. And then the market starts to move in this way, and then it goes up till here, while the market on the 8th of December closes at 82.4900. And on the 9th of December, which is on Friday, the market moves in the V shape, which is the USD INR moves in the V shape. The market opens at this point, goes down up till here, makes the day low at 82.15300, and then quickly bounces back, taking the support from there till 81.400, while the USD INR for the week closes at 82.3600, while its opening is at 81.39. okay. Even if you go long at 89.3900, while the weekly USD charts closes at 82.3600, that is hell lot of 0.97 paisa, which is approximately or close to 1 rupee. It's a lot, honestly speaking, it's a lot. Yeah, all right, cool. So we're done with this. Now let us move to Euro INR December future. So the previous closing over here of Euro INR is 86.6800, while the open is at 87.0625, high is at 87.2175, low is at 82.8200. okay. When we come to the market, approximately, now directly go to the 15 minutes candle. Let's not waste a lot of time, okay. So on this, okay, 1 second, sorry. Yeah, so this candle which you see over here is created on the 2nd of December, okay. So the candle starts on the 5th of December. Candle starts sharp at 9 a.m. and the Euro INR opens up at 85.800, quickly rallies up in less than 15 minutes to 86.8100, and from there the market starts to move in this range. And the range, I'll just show it to you, okay, how the market has been moving over here. So the range stays approximately here for a very long time. It breaks out about the range on 6th of December, at 2 p.m, but it fails and comes back. It goes up, okay, it goes up until 86.600 and then again falls back below the belt and hits the ground, and it hits the ground and close at 86.200, and which we can clearly see over here. While the market has been onto this point, and then the market starts to close over this point, and the market, it did not even hit the bottom, it just hit the middle of the bottom, and which is the support on 8th of December, which was approximately at 86.3000, and from there it has bounced back. It is just being in a V shape range of motion, and we can see approximately high has been made over here. The first high which was made over here was at 86.8600. The second high at the bottom was made at 86.68, and the next high was made at 86.81300, which was on 8th of December, and 9th of December there was no movement. Okay, so the market started approximately this point, and then 8th of December the market started at this point, and then it has been on the closing of the market, and which we can clearly see how the market has been moving over here. Okay, so coming with the 9th of December, what has happened is from here the market straightly opened gap up. Okay, the euro INR opened gapped up, and which was at 86.77 was the closing. The opening is at directly at 87. Huge gap up, we have not seen such ones in the week, and only after the Thursday's expiry on Friday it opens on the gap, and from the top it even touches 87.2100, 2122 you can say as well, and from there it starts to fall, and once it starts to fall it goes up and stays in a range after the bottom of the fall, and then the euro INR closes at 86.9625. okay, the opening, and if you even do the math, the opening on Monday is 86 point, one second, where is my arrow? Let me show you. 86.85, sorry, yeah, 85.80 8025 is the opening. Okay, and let us see at the closing how much it is. The closing is at 86.95. okay, minus which is goes as 86.9625. okay, so easily we could have captured approximately 1.16. let's take it as a round figure of 1 rupee in euro INR and 1 rupee in USD INR, which is a lot to be capturing in a week if you're trading in approximately over 100 lots. And definitely, dude, it's a lot of stuff. It's a lot of money to be put in the line, and making 1 rupee even for a week in the currency makes you or brings you in the 1% of the population of the trading community. Okay, let's do the math. 1 rupee over in euro INR, which also has 1,000 quantities, you make $1,000 on minimum. Okay, bare minimum, and bare minimum you make 1 rupee in one lot USD INR, 1,000 rupees, 2,000 rupees round off you are making in approximately every week in USD INR with minimal investment, and then that adds up till 4,000 as well. Okay, so that's all. It's easy to be said, more than done. It is very stressful for the week, but anyway, if you get your target, get out of the trade, short from the top, so and go long from the bottom. Yeah, so let's see. However, the next week the market is gonna perform, and we'll get to know on the market as well, and we'll see how it will perform anyway. Yeah, so thank you so much everyone for staying up until here. See you all in the next week's weekly performance on USD INR and euro INR, and we'll get to know how the market has been performing. Yeah, so thank you so much for staying up until here. Peace.